Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to connect Blynk App to Google Assistant. Voice control for IoT project isn't a direct plug-and-play setup, but you can connect the Blynk App to Google Assistant using IFTTT as a bridge. First, make sure your Blynk project is already running with your hardware online, such as an Arduino or ESP devices, and note your authentication token. Next, install IFTTT and sign in, then link both Google Assistant and webhooks services inside the platform. Create an applet where Google Assistant acts as a trigger using a custom voice command like turning on a light, then set the action to send a webhook request that targets your Blynk project using its API URL and auth token. Once saved, test it by speaking the command into Google Assistant and checking if your Blynk device responds correctly. After everything is set up, you can refine commands, add multiple triggers, or expand your automation to control different devices across your smart home system for better convenience. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.